All right, hi everyone. So we met Christian over here. He's from Germany, and we met him at the Bluffers Park, where he was setting up his very beautiful car. So let's meet him and know what's the car about and what's all inside his car. Let's go. Hi, Christian. So
Hi.
tell me something about yourself in the camera, please.
About me?
Yeah, about you.
Yes, I'm Christian. I'm from Germany, from Bavaria, and I'm starting for a few days in Halifax without my car, Toyota Land Cruiser, and I'm traveling to Alaska and then back till October this year.
And you said that you will be going to Calgary, Alberta as well, right?
Yes.
So you're basically doing a road trip in Canada.
Yes.
Oh man, that's a dream for many people. I would tell you that. Like all the viewers will be seeing this video, will be so excited. Like everyone who does these kind of things, they are on YouTube and they make their own videos, but you are not. So I'm basically telling your story through my channel, right? So you can feel comfortable, you can enjoy, and you can show around us your car and everything that you have got over there. Okay? Yeah, let's go. Okay, you can tell me what all things do you have on the outside?
I don't know the words.
It's okay. It's okay. I can help you with that as well. Yeah. So you have this gas tank over here, or
This is
what's
water.
this is water tank? How many liters is it?
20 liters.
20 liters tank. Okay, and what's this?
Don't know the word. Sandblech.
Okay.
You can put it under the
Okay, the tires.
tires
Oh.
when it's sand.
Oh. So when it gets stuck, it helps the car to get out. Oh wow.
I don't know the word in English.
It's okay. It's okay. It's totally. And what is this?
It's water trip.
This is water as well. Oh wow, nice. And this is the shovel, basically.
For mud.
Right. Right.
The sand.
Did you ever get stuck in snow, or like did you not travel in snow?
Last year, one time I need the winch.
Yeah.
So there's a deep, sag mal, hole.
Okay.
Hole.
Yeah. Yeah. I can understand. Yeah.
And I need the winch.
Wow. So whom did you call, or like who helped you when you were stuck?
Alone.
You were alone.
But there was a tree.
Okay. Oh.
There was a big trees.
Okay.
And I take one tree at the winch.
Okay.
And so.
And you
uh,
tied the tree with the winch and. Oh man. And where was it? Like what location was it?
Where?
Where was it? Yeah. In Canada.
No. Last year what is Romania.
Romania.
Romanian.
Oh
Romania.
wow. Okay.
It was there 3 months.
Okay. Let's get ahead. This comes with the car, or did you install it afterwards?
It's original.
Okay.
It's Knochel.
Oh wow.
Knochel is the
Yeah.
English word.
Yeah.
Because when you're driving through the water,
Right. Silencers are on the top, basically. Wow. So that is so nice.
it's gas. tank,
Okay. So
20 liters, 20 liters.
did you fill them up completely now, or like do you have to?
Now it's full.
It's full. No, nice.
Here's a shower.
Oh, that's the shower. Really? Wow.
30 liters.
Yeah.
And the sun is heating the water tank.
Okay.
And then you give pressure here inside.
All right. Let me see how it's there. Okay.
Because I have a compressor. You know the word?
Yeah. Compressor. Yeah.
It's inside here.
Okay.
And you put the pressure inside and then you can shower.
Wow. So cool, man. Like this.
2 or 3 bar. You
Oh.
can shower.
Nice.
Here's the shower cube.
Okay. Can you open it for me if you are not too busy? Wow. Okay, so it opens up. Okay. All right. Oh wow, that's a whole new room in here, right? Nice. Yeah.
Shower cabin.
Beautiful. And that's your camp on the top. Wow. And do you have solar power or something like that? Or do you get solar power as well, or no?
Yes, on the roof.
On the roof, solar power? Whoa, that's some cool shit.
160 watt.
160 watt solar power.
Watt.
Yeah.
Not-
This
Because
thing.
when you're standing a longer time,
Yeah.
The battery is not charging.
Okay.
Battery only charging when you drive.
Right, exactly. That's where it.
And then you
Yeah,
have the
mm.
sort of.
Amazing.
Yes.
Can we go and check out the insides? Okay.
Here's the shadow on the other side.
Okay.
It's a
Oh, this is the car shadow. Okay.
shadow on 270 degrees this side, and you can put it
It completely comes here. Oh man.
completely in here, fix it. This side and this side completely is about
Wow.
7 or 8.
Yeah.
In Germany we say Quadratmeter.
Okay.
1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter
Right.
is 1 Quadratmeter.
Okay. So we have square meters over here. Yeah. Right. Right. Oh, nice. Okay. This window, basically, what's this?
There's food inside,
Really?
and
S-
yes. So here's the cooking place.
Okay.
So you can
Oh,
here,
nice.
gas grill
Okay.
is inside now, and here's the food, and here you can cook.
Damn nice. It's so impressive. Wow. Okay, you can close it. And what about this one? This is the normal window that opens up for the air and all that ventilation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Slide.
Right. It's just the normal one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll take a look from the back. Yeah. Bro. यार ये कितना cool है. This is so cool, man. Okay. Oh, that's your girlfriend?
Yes.
Beautiful. And you have all those pictures. Oh my god. It's so nice. Those pictures are so beautiful.
Yes, thank you. This is my parents.
You look so much like a father. Yeah.
And when you go to sleep,
Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Do you have friends in Canada? Or no? No friends?
no friends.
You want to make some friends? I can call my friends tomorrow and meet you. You can meet them.
Tomorrow I am on Niagara Falls.
My friends will be so psyched to see all of that setup and to meet you. Oh my god. And okay, let's get started. What's over here? You use public washrooms or like?
No, I have the shower here,
Yeah.
but when it's warm,
Yeah.
you need sunny in the sun.
Mm-hmm.
When it's cold, you have a problem. You must go to
Yeah.
campsite.
Yeah. What about the urinal and what if you have to like poop and all that? So where do you go? Do you go to the public washrooms or like
Yes, maybe to
public
Tim
washrooms?
Hortons,
Tim Hortons?
maybe McDonald's or
Oh, they are not dirty, right?
no.
No.
Okay.
That's good. Okay. And let's see what's all in here.
Here's my closest.
Okay. Nice.
Here's the other side. Here's the food.
Okay. Oh, see, it opens from there. Yeah.
On the outside, you can. When it's bad weather, you cook inside.
Oh,
And when it's good weather,
Nice.
you are outside, and you have.
okay.
You came to the
Right.
from both sides.
Right. So this is the stove.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Gas stove.
Okay. And
Here's
okay.
closest to
Clothes. Okay.
and kitchen sinks.
Utensils. Okay. Okay. All the utensils. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Here's personal things,
Mhm.
books.
Do you read?
Yes.
Oh wow. Nice.
Here's the refrigerator.
Oh nice.
Oh.
So that's the fridge. Can I come up?
Yes.
Should I come up? Okay. Bro, this is so spacious. You can like stand upright.
Yes.
This is so
Nice,
nice.
because when the weather is bad, you must stay inside.
Yeah.
You have space.
Yeah. So you have the refrigerator over here. Nice. Okay. What's this?
In Germany, we have 220 volts. In Canada, you have 110 volts.
Yeah. Right.
Here
So that's the converter basically.
you can, yes,
Okay.
you have power. Not only 12
Right.
volt for handy,
Right.
you can
Like all those things you have to basically, keep in handy so that you can go and travel.
yes.
Nice. This is incredible. And you don't have that much space over here. You can put things back here and make space for. You have an iPad over there. Like, is it an iPad or is it the car console?
On the tablet.
So,
You can connect it with Android and iPhone.
oh, nice. So this is built in the car, or did you get it afterwards?
No, it's not. It's not
With the car.
original.
Yeah.
It's not original.
That's really good idea. Nice. All right. I think that is it. Ah, let me just get out of the car. Okay. Wow. That's so amazing,
Also
Christian.
So big, such as the white car here.
Yeah.
The white cars, they have more space.
Right. The vans have more space, yeah.
But with this car, you can not drive off road.
I know, yeah. But you need something like this, the big truck. This is so cool, man. And
Expensive, but cool.
yeah, and how much did everything cost you? Did you get everything from Germany?
For a few minutes, a man asked me the same question.
Really?
Yes.
So you calculated it?
It's Canadian dollar.
1,56,000
Yes.
Canadian dollars. Oh man. Oh, that's crazy money. Wow. And do you do any other work rather than just traveling? Or what do you do, by the way? How do you make money?
Last years ago, I was civil engineer. No.
Really?
You know the
Civil
word?
engineer? Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Now I'm not working
Okay.
because I'm living from my money,
Yeah.
and now I'm traveling.
Wow. So you saved enough.
Yes.
And which company did you work with? Like
It's a small company.
small company?
Yes.
Oh, nice. And how do you like Canada in general? Like the beauty wise, how is it?
It's very nice.
Beautiful?
Yes.
Ah, nice.
And very friendly people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like me.
Yes.
So you'll go to Niagara tomorrow and you'll be going there for the first time, right? You're going to the Niagara first time, right?
Yes.
It's so beautiful, let me tell you. It's so beautiful. And oh, I can look up some places for you if you want to eat somewhere. Will you cook on your own or will you go to a restaurant to eat?
Oh, I will cook
Yeah, you will cook?
because now I have today cooked
Mm-hmm.
so much, so I have enough
Oh.
food for tomorrow.
That's good. That's good. And do you generally get those cravings to eat something? Like do you like pizzas?
Yes.
Yeah?
I was in Montreal for 2 days. I was eating a pizza on the harbor.
I want you to wait here. I'll just come back, yeah?
Okay.
हम ना क्रिश्चियन भाई को पिज्ज़ा खिलाते हैं. He shared everything about himself. He shared everything about his car, his life, basically. And that's a really nice gesture. So, ये मैं अपने लिए लेके आया था. Like he said he likes pizza, so there we go. भाई को पैन पिज़्ज़ा खिलाते हैं. रिएक्शन रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. Christian? Come, let's eat. Enjoy, but like, let's go. You can open it and we can have it. Yeah. Christian, it was so nice to meet you. Thank you so much for showing me your car and being a part of this video. I hope you have a really great time enjoying Canada and doing the road trip. And how was the experience for you? Tell me.
It was a nice experience.
Yeah.
And I'm proud to meet you.
Thank you. Proud to meet you.
Not the right word.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so glad to meet you too. So nice to meet you, man. दोस्तों, एक्सट्रोवर्ट होने के अपने फायदे होते हैं. तुम एक्सट्रोवर्ट हो, तुम किसी से भी बात कर सकते हो, नए एक्सपीरियंसेस ले सकते हो और कनाडा को एंजॉय कर सकते हो. ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं यार लाइफ में. मजा आ गया. Bye.